types of selectors in CSS. So remember, we have 5 types of selectors in CSS. Now I will ask one question to you people. Okay. Yes. Last row. Tell me how many types of CSS we have. Wait. 3. What are those? Inline, internal, external. Very good. Sit down. Tell me why we are using CSS. To apply the styles on element, to set the position of an element, and to perform some sort of animation. These are the 3 purposes of using CSS today. To set the position of an element, to apply the style on elements, and to perform some sort of animations. So these are the purpose of using the CSS today. So we have 5 types of selectors in CSS. One I can say. So how many? We have 5 types of selectors in CSS. First one I will say element selector. Second one I can say ID selector. Second I will say class selector. Fourth one I can say group selector. Fifth one I can say universal selector. So these are the what here 5 selectors are there with us. Tell me what are those 5 selectors? Okay. So what do we do? I need to go to which one? Element selector. Element selector is good. So I will be giving you element selector. I am explaining. So what is the purpose of element selector you see here? Assume that I have a H1 tag, closing of H1 tag. This is heading tag. So obviously output will also come the same. So here also I am writing what here? H1. This is known as element selector. Understood my point here? No? Div, paragraph, whatever we are writing the tag names, these are known as what selector? Element selector. So what I will do? Text, align, center. Color, I will take blue. Font size, I will take 50 pixels, something like that. And now you can see this. Refresh. Element selector. And how many elements it is repeating, sir? How many elements are repeating? For all elements, we will get what here? Same features. Now tell me, I am taking one more H1 tag. How many H1 tags? And everyone will come with what? Same feature, same style. This is known as what here? Element selector. But tell me, this approach is good. Huh? If I need different style for H1 tag. Understood my point? First H1, I need different style, color blue. For second H1, I need red. But here it is giving what? Same style. Same styles we are getting. So this is not good, sir. So from now onwards, don't work with what? Element selector. Till now we work with element selector only. From now onwards, we should not use element selector. Okay, sir, we got an idea. Next, we have what selector? ID selector. You know very well. ID selector we are representing by using hash symbol. By using what symbol? Hash symbol. But there is a rule is there. CSS is telling if you want to apply the style only for one element, then only we need to create ID. So tell me, I created one ID. That ID we can use only for one element. For example, you have ID card. So that ID is applicable only for one person only. You cannot take that ID. See, there is a possibility is there here. One ID I can take to multiple elements also. But CSS is telling we need to create ID one per element. Suppose if you are using one ID to one tag, one element, then we should not repeat that ID for any other elements. For other tags, we should not use. Element means tag. So now I will give you one example to you. Example I am giving here. Here I am telling what here hash, what I am giving? ID1. ID1 I give. I can give any ID. Otherwise I will give my ID. What is this? Now tell me who needs this? Who needs this? H1 needs this. We need to write which one attribute? ID. What is the ID name? My ID. And only that element will come blue. All are affecting? No, not affecting. See the speciality. So now I hope you people understood. Now tell me, this is my ID1. This is my ID1. So as I told you, for second one, I need which color? Red color. So what I should do? Again ID. What is that one? ID2. Which color? Red color I am giving. Red color. So now what we need to do? Go to the what here? Below. For second one, I should say ID. My ID2. Save this. Now see the magic. Refresh. So you tell me, working with element selector is good or working with ID selector is good? When compared to element, ID is good. Yes or no, tell me. But in ID also problem is there. I will show you what is that problem. Everyone is having problem. You people also having problem. So see here, 230 you cannot focus much. That is your problem. So now let's see this one now. What is the problem is there? Because one element can use one ID at a time. I am taking one more heading tag. Let me go to the heading tag. And I am telling I need both IDs. My ID1, my ID2. I am telling I need both the styles. Both the styles I want. But both the styles if you want to use, we do one thing. We'll make it one thing. Text align center we will write. Font size in one place. Because same properties should not match. So tell me for first one what we are writing? Text center, font 50 pixel. For second one what we are telling? Color red only. Only red. So see this? It is coming text font size 50 pixel. Second one is coming red. But for third one I apply both. Na? I applied both I applied. But it is working. Why? At a time we can use one ID only. That is a drawback. Understood my point here? Arey sir, this is not good na sir. Already styles are available in 2 IDs. I want to use those 2 IDs. But it is not supporting. So this is known as what selector? ID selector. ID selector we can say. Now we need to go to the third one. Third one is what? Class selector. So class selector means class selector represent with dot symbol. Dot symbol, na? Again, I will go here. I will remove this. Instead of this one, what I will write? Dot my class 1. Dot my class 2. So we got text align center font size 50. Color red. So total how many we have? So 2 we have. And now what I'm doing is class my class 1. Class my class 2. Save. And now you do refresh. So tell me this is coming what? 50 pixel center. Left. This one is coming which color? Red color. So total how many styles? 2 different styles. And now I will go to this one. I hope you people understood. And now I will take what here? I will take I will take the third H1 tag. Third H1 tag I will take, and here I will say my class 1 space my class 2. Space is a separator. Okay, sir, we did. Now you can see here. Now I will run this. Refresh. Both are coming or not coming? So classes we can take what? Multiple. One element can have multiple classes. But one, we cannot take more than one ID. That is a drawback. And class we can take for multiple elements. But ID we can take only for one element only. Now tell me, in interviews they will ask you that question only. What is the difference between ID selector and class selector? Sir, to represent ID selector, we will use hash symbol. To represent class selector, we will use dot. A dot symbol. Next is what here? ID will be created one per element, but class will be created for multiple elements. Means you can say them. ID we can use only for one element. Class we can use for multiple elements. And we can use only one ID at a time, but we can use multiple classes at a time. Understood the difference? If you attend the classes with punctuality, with, with 100% focus, you will cover all interview questions in the classes only. So, okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood class selector. Now I want to go to the fourth one, that is known as group selector. Group selector means assume that you people are group. You are the different tag. One is paragraph, one is H1 tag, one is bold tag, one is strong tag, one is italic. Okay. Assume that you are different tags. That is known as what? Groups. So let me give you one simple example to you. I have one H1 tag, closing of H1 tag. So let me say this is heading tag. And then after that, I will go to the what here? Paragraph. This is paragraph tag. Even we have what here? Bold. This is bold tag. Total how many we have? H1, paragraph, bold. See the speciality. H1 comma, paragraph comma, bold comma. Yes, bold. H1, paragraph, bold. So what I want to say, color I want blue. Refresh. See the magic. And I will say text align center. Okay. And even I can say what here? Background color, let's say yellow. Assume that. Refresh. These are the block elements. It is inline elements. Understood my point here now? This is which element? Block elements. This is inline elements. So inline elements will not come in what here? Center. So instead of bold, I will take what here? Div. Division tag. Only block elements will come into the what? Center. See this? Only which elements? What I wrote here, I did not write what here? Div. Now see this? So tell me which one is not coming in the center? Inline elements. Only block elements will come into the what? Center. So understood what is group elements? Sorry, group selector? Yes. This is group selector. Otherwise, fifth one we have that is known as universal selector. Universal selector we are representing by using star symbol. What symbol? Star. Star symbol means everything will come, everything. I'm writing what? Star. So here I am taking what here? Just I am taking what here? Color blue. Text align what? Center. So see this, everything will becomes blue, center. If I am taking background color yellow, body background color also comes what? Yellow. Star means what? All text. Body, H1, paragraph, div, everything will comes background color what? Yellow. Understood my point here now? But I will tell you where to use universal selector. In design, we will see today. Understood my point here now? So total, how many selectors are there? 5 selectors. How many CSS we have? 3 CSS we have. Very good. You need to remember this.